What's going on, everybody? This is Cody, the home theater hobbyist. A few weeks ago, I had the opportunity to unbox and review the Cambridge Audio CXA81, an integrated stereo amplifier, and I really enjoyed it. But let's be honest, an amplifier is no good if you don't have a good source device, and Cambridge Audio happens to sell a few of those. That box back there is the CXN V2, a network audio streamer, which means you can stream things like Spotify, Tidal Hi-Fi, Qbuzz. It's even Roon ready. So in this video, I'm going to unbox it and give you my first impressions. So let's get to it. Before we get into this unboxing, if you want to purchase the CXN or anything else from Cambridge Audio, use those links in the description below. Also, if you enjoy product unboxings, reviews, comparisons, talk about streaming media, and basically all things home theater, click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted anytime we upload new content. So here it is, the CXN V2, and the first thing you notice is this is a plain vanilla box. The only labeling on it was literally the shipping label that I got, and what I expect is a box within a box. But this box is relatively large. It's about 24 inches long, 18 inches deep, and about 8.5 inches tall, so it can be seen from the street. So you want to make sure you're home when this is delivered. It weighs about 15 pounds, so I was able to carry it up the stairs without any help, and if you need help, you definitely should get it, but it's not very hard to bring up the stairs or take down the stairs. But enough about the box. Let's go ahead and let's get into this. Packing slip. Another brown box. Another box. The CXN has Spotify Connect, Tidal, and Qbuzz built in, along with Apple AirPlay 2 and Chromecast support. It's also Roon ready, so you can browse your local music collection, but Roon does require a subscription. It has dual Wolfson WM8740 digital to analog converters and the ability to upscale audio to 24-bit 384 kHz. The Cambridge Audio Stream Magic app and included remote control allows the user to control the CXN. It is 3.4 inches tall, 16.9 inches wide, and 12.2 inches deep. It weighs 7.7 pounds and costs $1,099. So there you have it, the CXN V2 from Cambridge Audio. In the box, you get the remote, along with batteries and a control cable, a quick start guide, the power cable, and the CXN itself. In the back, they do have a little Wi-Fi dongle that's already plugged in, but you don't get any cables like an RCA cable or a USB cable to connect it to your computer, so you will need to make sure that you supply those yourself. Make sure you get good quality cables. The box itself is very nice. The front has the same Luna Gray surface finish as the CXA81, so that's nice, so they'll look good together. The bottom left down there has the power button along with a USB connection right there, and then there's this big LCD screen up front. Along the sides of the LCD screen are buttons that I assume that you can use to select sources and play pause, that sort of thing. And then right here is a knob that, again, I think is some sort of input knob, so you can maybe move things around or on the menu there and maybe even push it in, because the button does press in, which is a definite plus. Now moving on to the rear, it has all the connections that you would expect from a network player, including the power cable there. There's that Wi-Fi dongle I mentioned, another USB port, and an Ethernet jack so you can connect this to your wired internet. They also have a digital input and digital output, both Toslink and coaxial. There's a control bus connections up there, a USB-B connection, and it also has balanced RCA outputs along with unbalanced outputs, again, so you can connect it to an amplifier. So everything is basically there. So I will be doing a full review on the CXN. So if you have questions, put them in the comment section below and I'll try to address them in the full review. The good news is I still have the CX-A81, so I will be able to pair these two together and find out how they work together and just how everything sounds, and I'm really looking forward to it. If you want to purchase the CXN, the CX-A81, or anything else from Cambridge Audio, use those links in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. We'll talk to you next time.